The 2017-2020 Chevy Trax uses an algorithm, not just a timer, to determine when an oil change is needed. It considers factors like engine revolutions, temperature, and driving conditions to estimate oil degradation. Resetting the oil life monitor should only be done after an actual oil change. Resetting the oil life monitor after an oil change ensures the system accurately tracks oil life and provides reliable alerts. Ignoring the oil change due light can lead to engine damage from degraded oil, potentially voiding your warranty. The monitoring system helps optimize oil change intervals, saving you money and reducing environmental impact by preventing unnecessary changes. ASC-certified technicians emphasize that visual inspections should always accompany the monitor for best results. According to the American Petroleum Institute, 40% of drivers ignore oil change lights, resulting in 25% more engine repairs. First, turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Next, press the Home button on the infotainment screen. Then, navigate to Vehicle or Settings and select Vehicle Information or Oil Life. Finally, select Reset and confirm when prompted. The oil life monitor will reset to 100%. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Use the menu button or knob controls on the radio to navigate the infotainment system. Find Vehicle Information or Oil Life in the menu. The exact wording may vary by model. Select Reset and confirm. The oil life should now display 100%. If the oil change due light persists after resetting, first, ensure you've completed an actual oil change and followed the correct reset procedure. Aftermarket parts, such as air filters, can sometimes interfere with the vehicle's sensors and cause false readings. In rare cases, a faulty sensor or engine control module may be causing the issue. This could be related to recalls, so check for any outstanding service bulletins. If the problem continues despite these checks, consider consulting a certified mechanic for a thorough diagnosis. If the oil change light comes on prematurely after resetting, it could indicate several issues. Possible causes include faulty vehicle sensors, the type of oil being used, or underlying engine problems. The oil life monitor relies on sensors like the oil pressure switch to detect oil levels and pressure. If these sensors are faulty, often due to recalls or aftermarket modifications, the light may come on incorrectly. Using the wrong type of oil can also trigger premature alerts. Different oils have varying lifespans, and synthetic oils generally last longer than conventional ones. To address this, have your engine inspected by a professional mechanic to check for sensor issues or engine problems. Consider switching to a high-quality synthetic oil and monitor if the problem continues after these changes. Chevrolet is increasingly integrating oil life data with apps like My Chevrolet, allowing for remote monitoring. Future systems may utilize AI for predictive alerts. These may include autonomous resets in electric and hybrid vehicles. Expect stricter emission standards to further refine these systems for optimal fuel efficiency and reduced waste. These advancements have led to a 20 to 30% reduction in unnecessary oil changes.